Novonesis is a global biotechnology company with 10,000 employees worldwide. Our site in Blair, Nebraska was established in 2009 and has undergone several expansions, bringing on additional capacity and state-of-the-art processes. Over 200 employees work on the 37-acre campus, and our site is growing every year. Manufacturing is Novonesis Blair's primary mission, and production operators are the heart of our operation. Our skilled manufacturing teams produce biosolutions for a broad range of industries, including biofuels, animal health and nutrition, and advanced protein solutions. Our biosolutions are used in products that you use every day. Whether it's the stain-removing enzymes in your laundry detergent or the fortifying probiotics in the yogurt you packed for lunch, chances are Novonesis already makes a positive impact on your life. Even ethanol-enriched gasoline that you put in your car is made possible by the enzymes we make right here at Novonesis Blair. Starting on day one, you'll go through a standard onboarding process before moving on to your team. At Novonesis, training and development is a priority. When you meet your team, you'll be welcomed. Your lead operator and other experienced operators will teach you how to do your job. You'll meet with your manager regularly to check in and get any support you need.
I would recommend asking a lot of questions. You're going to be given a lot of new information. I also like the fact that for every process, we have what you call an SLP, which is step-by-step on what you should be doing and how it should be done.
We have SOPs, standard operating procedures. We're not just gonna hand you that piece of paper and be like, go figure it out. That's not the right way to do things. How I train is we have a big whiteboard. We'll draw up that piece of equipment. I'll kind of simplify it, and then let's go walk that piece of equipment down out in the field, and then we'll look at the actual instruments, what they do, their purpose, as many times as is needed. Us leads will do the best to our ability to help develop you. If you have any questions, come to us, we'll help you out.
Production operators work in small teams of 4 to 7 and are directly supported by a dedicated operations staff. Every day, you'll work alongside and collaborate with engineering, maintenance, quality, and safety professionals to solve real problems and continuously improve your workplace. Production operators work 12-hour shifts on an alternating, rotating shift schedule. You'll work days and nights, switching every 2 weeks. Shift work isn't for everybody, but it has its benefits. Be honest with yourself about whether you're up for the challenge.
Personally, I like it. You get a feel of being here during the day as all the contractors are here, all the engineers are here. It's different when you're on nights. On nights, no manager is here, but the leads will be in charge, and if we have any issues, we just got to call somebody. There is opportunities as well with that to where if somebody working opposite of you wants to work straight days or nights, things like that can happen.
I like it most of the time. Other times it's only tolerable. Some days are better than others, others are worse than others.
I oftentimes find myself missing the shift that I used to work. There would be a couple days that I could take off and have an entire week of vacation. That was a huge benefit. Some other things that are really great about the shift work is the flexibility. Every 2 or 3 days you'll have off during the week and you're able to set up appointments and attend family events.
Clean uniforms and changing facilities are provided. You'll have access to break rooms with vending options and informal spaces to relax during break time. As a production operator, you'll gain real-time experience in a large-scale industrial environment. Safety is number one. You'll be provided with personal protective equipment and the training to use it correctly. You'll operate bioprocessing equipment and control standard processes. You'll clean and maintain our manufacturing facilities and equipment. You'll learn exactly what it takes to safely deliver quality products to our customers. At Novonesis, you can choose to live up to your full potential. Working as a production operator builds foundational knowledge in many different areas that you may choose to explore as the next step in your career.
The opportunities here are endless. There are plenty of training options and opportunities to help you progress your career path. 10 years ago, I started as a production operator. I had progressed through the certification modules, became a senior operator, eventually a lead operator, and now I am currently a production manager in planetary recovery.
The training is entirely free. It's all handled in-house. Nothing comes out of your pocket. For every section of skills, there's computer work, book work, essentially class work. And then you go out onto the floor with the trainer, your lead, and a couple of other people and work through various scenarios and operations on the tanks to show that you both know on paper what you're supposed to be doing, can discuss with operations for troubleshooting for what you're supposed to be doing, and of course, actually go put your hands in the tank and do your job.
The management I've been under have always been very fair. They've always recognized hard work, and they are very good at nurturing that, helping people achieve their goals, helping people advance their skill sets. And if you want to move ahead, move forward, you will have every support and every resource available to you.
We asked our operators to share their overall perspective on working at Novonesis.
Novonesis has been really, really great to me. The opportunities that arose were very impressive to me.
My experience working here, I've built up my confidence, and I've had the pleasure of working with some of the kindest and most knowledgeable and professional people I've ever met in my business life.
Overall, I'm very happy here. I genuinely enjoy my job. I like it.
So far, my experience working at Novonesis has been great. A lot of support, great benefits. Everybody seems to understand the culture that Novonesis values people.
The work is good. The products we make go around the world to everything from food to gasoline to plastic containers. So you're really taking a part in something worldwide, and when you really get a handle on that, you learn to take a lot of pride in your work.